Konnichiwa. Today we'll be talking about Kinkakuji, which is a temple which is located in Kyoto.
Hello everyone, I am Lai Chunfeng. I would like to give an introduction of Kinkakuji. Kinkakuji is also known as the Golden Pavilion. The pavilion stands facing Kyokoji, which is Mirror Lake Pond. People would be amazed at the first sight of brilliant golden walls of the pavilion, although the building is not huge in size. The pavilion and its reflection on the water as well as islands and trees sweep into a beauty and create a peaceful atmosphere. As you can see, the beside is the picture of Kinkakuji. This Zen temple, Rukyoji, being frequently called Kinkakuji because of the golden pavilion which attracts many visitors all the year around.
Hi, I'm Boon Seong and I'll be presenting about the history of Kinkakuji. The site of Kinkakuji was originally a villa called Kitayama-dai, belonging to a powerful statesman, Sayonjin Kitsune. In 1397, it was purchased by Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, and he transformed it into the Kinkakuji complex. When he died, it became a Zen temple in accordance with his will. In 1950, the temple was burned down by a deranged Buddhist monk. This photo shows the statue of Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, which was lost in the fire but were restored later. The present pavilion structure dates from 1955, which is the time when it was rebuilt.
Hi, I'm Frederick, and I'll be talking about the design details of the Kinkakuji. Each floor of the Kinkakuji has a different style of architecture. The first floor, called the Chamber of Dharma Waters, is built in the Shinden style. The walls separating it from the balcony only rise halfway, which allows plenty of lights and fresh air into the room. While the second story, called the Tower of Sound Waves, is built in the Bukkei style, the samurai house style. It was intended as a Buddha hall, and it encloses an icon of Bodhisattva's Kannon. And the third story is built in the Zen style, with carved windows and ornamentation. Appropriately, it houses an Aminda triad and 25 Bodhisattvas. And the photo here shows a Chinese phoenix which crowns the eaves. And finally, this is a photo of the head priest's formal living quarter, which is known as the Hojo.
Now we will be talking about the tourist attraction in Kinkakuji. The photo shows the tourists at Kinkakuji. This is Sakate Tea House. It is added to Kinkakuji during the Edo period. It is a small tea garden where you can have matcha tea and sweets.
Fudo Hall, a small temple hall which houses a statue of Fudo-myo, one of the five wisdom kings and protector of Buddhism.
And this is the end of our presentation. And thank you for watching. Arigato.